Welcome, everyone, to Only for Seniors. I'm Dr. Eric John, a doctor specializing in the unique needs of people over 60 right here in the United States. If you've ever felt tired of long drives to the doctor's office, waiting rooms filled with people, or simply wished there was an easier way to see your physician without leaving your cozy chair at home, today's video is for you. We're talking about telehealth. What is it? How does it work? And most importantly, how can seniors like you use it to stay healthy, connected, and safe, all from the comfort of your own living room? So grab a warm cup of tea, sit back, and let's dive deep into how telehealth can truly change the way you experience healthcare after 60. Part 1: Understanding Telehealth. First things first, what exactly is telehealth? Telehealth is simply healthcare delivered using technology. Instead of driving to the clinic, you connect with your doctor through your computer, tablet, or even your smartphone. You see each other through video, just like a Zoom call or FaceTime with your family. But it's not just video calls. Telehealth also includes remote monitoring of blood pressure, sugar, or heart rate, sending your prescriptions electronically, messaging your doctor for quick questions, even therapy or counseling sessions from home. For seniors, this is more than just convenience. It's independence, safety, and faster access to care. Part 2: Why telehealth matters for seniors in the U.S. As we age, healthcare becomes a bigger part of our daily lives. Many seniors have multiple appointments each month: cardiology, endocrinology, primary care, maybe even physical therapy. That means a lot of travel, waiting, and costs. Now imagine this: instead of driving 40 minutes, finding parking, and sitting in a crowded waiting room, you just turn on your tablet, click a button, and your doctor appears on your screen. No exposure to flu, COVID, or other illnesses. No stress of travel. No wasted time. And here's another truth: more than 1 in 3 American seniors live alone. For them, telehealth isn't just convenient, it's essential. It reduces isolation, ensures they stay connected to medical help, and even gives peace of mind to their families. Part 3: Common concerns seniors have about telehealth. Now, I know what many of you are thinking. Dr. John, this sounds nice, but I'm not good with technology. You're not alone. Most seniors feel the same way at first. But the truth is, telehealth has been designed to be easy. With just a smartphone or tablet, you can connect. Your doctor's office usually sends you a simple link to click. No complicated downloads, no extra steps. Other concerns include: will my insurance cover it? Yes, Medicare and most insurances cover telehealth visits. Is it secure? Absolutely. Doctors use encrypted, private platforms, not social apps. What if I need a physical check? Then your doctor will guide you. Telehealth doesn't replace in-person care, but it reduces unnecessary trips. Part 4: How to get started, step by step. Let's walk through it together. Step 1: Call your doctor's office. Ask if they offer telehealth. Most clinics do. Step 2: Schedule an appointment. They'll ask for your email or phone number. Step 3: Get the link. Usually, they'll text or email you a link. Step 4: Join the visit. At your appointment time, just click the link. Your doctor appears on your screen. Step 5: Discuss your health. Share your symptoms, concerns, and ask questions, just like an in-person visit. That's it. No long drives, no waiting rooms, no stress. Part 5: Tools seniors might need. To make telehealth even more effective, there are a few simple tools you might consider keeping at home. Blood pressure monitor, so your doctor can track your readings. Glucose meter, for seniors with diabetes. Pulse oximeter, to check oxygen levels, especially for heart or lung conditions. Thermometer, always useful. With these tools, you become an active partner in your care. Imagine being able to share your readings with your doctor instantly. That's powerful. Part 6: Real-life stories from seniors. Let me share a few stories. Mary, age 72 from Ohio, lives with arthritis and diabetes. She used to dread her monthly checkups, especially during winter. Now she does half her visits by telehealth. She told me, "Doctor, this feels like magic. I see you without leaving my chair." Or Robert, 68 from Texas. After his heart surgery, he needed frequent check-ins. Instead of driving an hour each way, he connected with his cardiologist via telehealth. It gave him comfort and saved him energy. These stories remind us, telehealth isn't just technology, it's a lifeline. Part 7, Tips to make telehealth easier. To make your telehealth visits smooth. Find a quiet, well-lit place. Keep your medications nearby, your doctor may ask about them. Have pen and paper to take notes. Ask your son, daughter, or even grandchild to help you set it up the first time. The first visit may feel new, but by the second or third, you'll feel like a pro. Part 8, The Future of Telehealth for Seniors. Telehealth is here to stay. In fact, Medicare reports that millions of seniors have used it in the past few years. With better technology, faster internet, and user-friendly apps, it will only grow. Imagine wearable devices that send your blood pressure directly to your doctor. Or smart watches that can detect irregular heartbeats and alert your physician instantly. This is not science fiction, it's happening now. For seniors, this future means more independence, less stress, and more peace of mind. Closing message. My dear friends, aging doesn't mean slowing down, it means adapting. Telehealth is one of those adaptations that allows you to take control of your health while staying comfortable at home. So the next time you need to see your doctor, ask, "Can we do this through telehealth?" You may be surprised how easy, safe, and empowering it can be. Thank you for joining me today on Only for Seniors. I'm Dr. Eric John, reminding you that your health, your happiness, and your independence matter. If you found today's video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe, because together, we are building a healthier, stronger senior community in America.